So what are we doing in Citrus today? We're looking for you. So if you were in Citrus today, you just might be in one of our videos. So what are we doing in Citrus today? Well, one, we're going to do a little trail riding. Two, we're going to have lunch at the burger station. And three, we're looking for you. We're going to see what Jeepers are out in Citrus today. So Citrus has maintained roads throughout the wildlife management area. Almost all of them travel north and south and east and west. Forestry Service wants you to stay on named and numbered roads. Avenza works with them to provide you with a map that'll make sure that you aren't going on any roads that are closed. If you see a sign that says road closed to vehicles, that's pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory. Don't go down that road. Sometimes they deem a road a little bit dangerous, so they close the road, like trail number 19, sometimes trail number 14. And you have to respect those because the ticket that they could give you is a little hefty ticket. If you're riding with a group of people, you need to get a permit. You can just get it online. It's pretty easy to do, and then everybody has a copy of the permit. But right now, we haven't seen a single Jeep yet. But wait, I know where we're probably guaranteed to see some Jeepers.
Have you seen any of the Jeepers?
What's that?
We're looking for the Orlando Jeep Club. Have you seen him?
No,
Had to work, so we couldn't be here as early.
So when you see these signs right here, that means all this area here is beyond that point. They can give you a ticket just for being over here. I know it's kind of like a bypass, but they call that a 6-line race runner. And the reason is because they're pretty fast. They're kind of hard to catch. And we have found Jeeps.
Fun part of naming your Jeeps.
like the antithesis of each other.
Hey.
It's hilarious. You're wearing it inside. I love it.
Let me get your beautiful little girl here.
Not all one piece.
Hey, girl.
Get all one piece.
Hi.
Here's Peter taking pictures. He's leading the trail today. How you doing? How you doing? You have fun on that little hill there? Now you gotta go back up.
Yeah, we've already done like 100 times. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
This is our first time.
This is my first time.
Well, welcome to Citrus.
Thank you.
Y'all have a great time. Nice seeing you.
That would be horrible.
That would be
I would be sad if we didn't ride much longer.
Yeah. Look behind you. Welcome to Ants on Candy.
I know, right?
Well, if you come out here on a Saturday, you're guaranteed to run into a lot of other Jeepers. Frequently, there's a lot of clubs. I know that there's at least 3 clubs out here today, and it's always great to meet people out on the trail. It's always great to video other people testing out how off camera they can get their Jeeps. State of the trails, Citrus. Well, it's a little wetter than it was last time we were here. There's a few more puddles, a few more washouts. We've had a lot of rain in the area. They have a prescribed burn that has run in the area where Jeep Cave is. One of the things that you want to watch for is the sugar sand, and some of the places where the sugar sand is, the ridge between where you put your tires is a little high, so just be prepared for that if you have low clearance. But if you got four-wheel drive, you should be fine anywhere out here.
Some police have been in there and flattened it.
Oh, so we're all turning around.
There's nothing there.
Okay, I'm thinking like, hey, there's another Jeep Club coming up here.
There's nothing there. This is a lot of fun. I'm loving this.
Throughout Citrus, there are areas that used to be like playgrounds where people could play. Now, those areas are pretty clearly marked. No vehicles beyond this point. Road closed to vehicles. This sign has been up here so long that it's now part of the tree. If you stay on the roads, there are plenty of places out here that you can still have fun. Little praying mantis.
I haven't seen one of those in a while.
First I thought it was a scorpion. So I tried to take a little shortcut and a bypass around to a different road so I could get ahead of the group, and it ended up that somehow the group didn't go where I thought it was going to go. So now we're out here solo riding through these trails, and almost all the trails, if you don't have a problem with sugar sand, you won't have a problem riding out here. If you got problems with sugar sand, then I wouldn't recommend riding out here by yourself. Go around the puddles if you have to, but it's a beautiful place. That's Holder Mine Campground. If you like camping, that's a great base to camp out of.
Go through here.
Fries and sweet potato fries with that dipping sauce, the marshmallow sauce. Yep.
All right. Can I drink for you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Randy, where you at? Let me tell you where we're at. Okay, we are at the burger station in Hernando.
The one and only.
Tell me about the burger station.
The burger station has been here for 7 years so far. Used to be the gas station. That's us actually right up there. And before that, the bike trail was a railroad track. So a little bit of history.
A little bit. Fried burgers, chicken, sweet potato French fries with marshmallow dipping sauce. Put a little bit of ketchup on there. Right. Put that burger together. Gonna have to squish it a little bit. That is a triple patty of meat. Well, thanks for joining us for a ride out of Citrus today and a trip over to the burger station. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
This has been a Florida Jeep Ride. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd greatly appreciate it.
Have a
Bye.
good time.